Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're diving into the 40 Homophone challenge. Let's see if you can spot the right words and test your English skills. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. 1. She loves to. In the garden. Sow. Tips, so means planting seeds. 2. The ship sailed across the. Sea. Tips, sea is a large body of water. Sea and seed are different. 3. We went to the park to. Some fun. Have. Tips, have means to possess or experience. 4. He had to. His shoes because they were torn. Repair. Tips, repair means fixing, not replacing or reselling. 5. He will. The letter after lunch. Mail. Tips, mail involves sending letters. 6. Please tell me the. To your house. Route. Tips, route means directions, route and route don't fit. 7. We will. The meeting at 3 p.m. Start. Tips, start means to begin. 8th. They wanted to. The ball in the air. Through. Tips, through is the past of throw. 9. She was feeling a little. After the long walk. Weak. Tips, weak means lacking strength. 10. We took a. On the beach to watch the sunset. Stroll. Tips, a stroll is a slow, leisurely walk. 11. The artist showed his work. Peace. Tips, peace is a portion, peace means calm. 12. The car's engine makes a loud. Roar. Tips, roar is a loud noise, often from an engine. 13. They were excited to. The new house. Sell. Tips, sell means exchanging for money. 14. He wants to. His book with his friend. Lend. Tips, lend means giving temporarily. 15. I can't wait to. The concert tonight. Hear. Tips, hear is perceiving sound. 16. The team decided to. The match. Lose. Tips: lose means misplace, loose means not tight. 17. The cat loves to. In the sun. Lie. Tips: lie means to recline. 18. The wind was too strong to. The kite. Bear. Tips: bear means to support, bear and beer don't fit. 19. The night wore shining. Male. Tips: think about knight's protective gear. 20. I have to. My friend about the party. Tell. Tips: tell means to inform. 21. The farmer will. The crops tomorrow. Harvest. Tips: harvest means to gather crops. 22. She will. The story to the children. Sell. Tips: consider storytelling for money or benefit. 23rd. They. To win the game. New. Tips: think about past knowledge. 24. The baker used. Flour. Our. Tips: consider whose flour it is. 25. She was. To finish her homework early. Eager. Tips: eager means being excited or ready to do something. 26. The of the story was confusing. Plot. Tips: think about a book's plot. 27. The little boy. The ball. Through. Tips: consider propelling something. 28. I need to. My tie properly. Not. Tips: think about fastening your tie. 29. Please. The door when you leave. Close. Tips: consider shutting something. 30. They wanted to. Their old car for a new one. Trade. Tips: trade means to exchange something for something else. 31. Did you? The rules? Meet. Tips: think about meeting someone. 32. The was delicious with the chicken. Sauce. Tips: sauce is a liquid served with food for flavor. 33. I will. This message to him. Sent. Tips: consider passing something to someone. 34. I need a of paper to write on. Sheet. Tips: a sheet is a flat paper. 35. She has a sharp of humor. Wit. Tips: consider someone's intelligence. 36. The king sat on his throne. Tips: think about the king's chair. 37. The bear has sharp claws. Tips: consider an animal's claws. 38. The old house was bare. Tips: think about something empty and uncovered. 39. Which word is the correct homophone for flower? Flower. Tips: flower and flower sound the same but differ. 40. What is the correct homophone for bear? Bare. Tips: bare means uncovered. Bear is an animal. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun challenges. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.